Okay, so here we are inside the car, getting ready to try out the Fein FMM250 FMM250Q Oscillating Tool. Just use this a little bit, clean up. I've got lots of sound deadening, both the old style and the new style, to clean off. So let's have a look at how it does. Old style first, throw on the ear protection and away we go. So overall, you can see how well that worked. Just like shearing a sheep, peels the stuff straight off. That's awesome. Okay, here we go. Underneath the car, you can see what we're up against here is 40-plus-year-old undercoating that needs to come off to be repaired. Lord only knows what lurks underneath this stuff. So we're going to fire up the Fein tool here again and see how it works on this. Should work pretty well. Did a little test piece, worked pretty good. Anyways, let's have a look. There you have it. It's not too bad considering it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Worked pretty good.